Today's tutorial is about best practice for editors, including track laying and choosing the best audio for your edit. The edit is where you may feel most comfortable. These are just a few simple steps that can help you look and sound great and will help the sound mixer be your new BFF. When editing, use what you're given. Do not leave shots mute, including GVs or your general views. You could have an audio track that is solely for placeholders, and that'll show the sound editor where each scene begins and ends. And this will allow him to replace the placeholder with sound effects, and also saves him scrolling through the picture for the start and end frames of every single scene, which is hugely time consuming. If you must use interview material from different sources to make up sentences, be clever. Don't use a couple of syllables or words recorded in a noisy environment for an interview recorded in a quiet area. Be choosy about the quality of the take you decide on. Listen to what you're using. Is the timbre of the audio from both interviews roughly the same? And we kind of brushed on it before. Use decent speakers for listening. Like I pointed out in the previous tutorial, if you use bad quality speakers, you will not hear a lot of problems on your material. So learn how to track lay properly, it's not hard. Dialogue on the first tracks, GVs on the next. Cut the wild tracks to the scene durations on the next tracks, and that's them acting as placeholders. And then finally the music tracks. Use checkerboard method. One clip on one track, and then the next clip on the next track below, and then the next one above, etc, etc, etc. That allows us to do fades and crossfade softly on the music and gives us a much better feel for the music track. Use a consistent format of audio, whether in mono, stereo or surround. Don't use a stereo piece of audio across part of a scene and patch the rest with a mono piece. Use audio that's the same sample rate and bit rate as the session. If you have to use a sample rate from another source, be aware of the quality. And by the way, converted MP3s, they sound really bad. So we've covered the best practice when in the edit. Join me in the next episode where we'll look at the importance and best practice in delivery to the mixer. I'm Keith Alexander and you've been watching Adorama TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more great videos. And tell us what you think. You can like, comment or share this video. And please come by the Adorama Learning Center for more great tips and tricks.